Hello everyone, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I wish you all a good day. So today I'm going to talk about recent and latest MCQ topics of Qatar license exam. So before starting, if you still haven't subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon, as this channel is all about international license exam guidance and material. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Zeba Tanveer for clearing Qatar license exam. So let's start the topic. Maximum questions were from P&F techniques, so make sure to clear your concepts about P&F technique. Also, I'll try my best to upload lecture on P&F technique to understand and learn P&F technique in an easiest way. There were questions from GATE, one question from ground reaction force. There were maximum questions from sport entries and stroke. Questions from anterior cerebral artery, posterior cerebral artery, middle cerebral artery. Cauda equina syndrome, cerebral palsy treatment in children. Questions from Colles and Smith fracture, Sudeck's atrophy. Sudeck atrophy has another name. Let me know how many of you have an idea about it. Comment below. Patient management plan. Plane and axis. A lot of questions were from plane and axis. Hip extensors. The questions were about hip muscles, like if there is a specific condition, which specific muscle would be strengthened. So make sure to have a stronger grip over muscles and their actions. What is the characteristics should a physiotherapist have? Stamina, autonomy, attire. So the correct option is autonomy. Question from muscle spindle. There was diagram of muscle spindle. Dermatome of foot with diagram. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.